So let's talk about the latest crypto news, what's going on, talk about what happened last week, as well as where we're at for the next week or two as we roll into October or Uptober, as people are starting to call it, which I actually love that. That's actually pretty good uh, definition of that. All right. So here's where we're at right now. Crypto is effectively napping. It's a technical term. It's up 0.9, 2 trillion, 210 billion. You can see Bitcoin's up a half point. Ethereum's up basically a point. BNB's up a little bit, but nothing really drastic outside of a few outliers like Aptos, SCI, 13, 10%. Adair is making her move, the sandbox, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So we've got a situation playing out here where if you kind of take a look at everything has been kind of quietly moving up. Now, remember, we had last week, we had obviously the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting. They raised the interest rate, lowered the interest rate, my apologies, by 50 basis points. That was a expected move, but the market reacted really, really well. The stock market reacted extremely well, and crypto did as well. In fact, we saw crypto, this number bounce back from about 1.9 trillion. So we added about $300 billion in market cap in the last 4 or 5 days, actually since Wednesday. Really, that happened Thursday and Friday. So really, that's when it really went down. Okay. And so kind of moving at this, you had everything kind of quietly moving up. Now, this right here, the blue box, and you see this momentum up, green box here. That's my trading indicator, X1 Algo, that I spent over $10,000 having built it for myself. I use it every single day. I've got about 2,000 people that are using it right now as well. Why don't you be one of them? At least give it a test spin, because look, you got 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. So you get a complete refund if you don't like it for any reason. And there's a discount code down there that makes the software about $1 a day. And the quarterly option is the best, lowest price one. Okay. Also on the thank you page, here it is. There's like 7 videos that are each a minute long. Anybody can do this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere you can use the software. Okay. And these show you exactly how to set everything up. What I do is I have alerts sent to my phone. It tells me when to buy and when to sell. Like I got an alert that said it's, momentum up. It's time to buy Bitcoin. So that was a buy, sell, buy. And you can see between that, it's been up 15%. Now, to put that in perspective, $2,000 of Bitcoin bought, you would have made over $300 in profit off of that. Okay. Ethereum, here it is working for Ethereum. Last 2 days, up 10%. So things are starting to quietly move back up. Okay. So check out my software, links in the description below. You got nothing to lose. Give it a shot. Okay. You got 30 days to really try it for free. If you don't like it, okay, you get a complete refund. So basically, here's one thing I wanted to share with you. So Bitcoin's path to $1 million as Bitcoin is continuing to kind of do its thing, right? Where Bitcoin is currently trading at, what is it, 63 and 1? Yeah. So the discussion around Bitcoin going to $1 million, I think, is absolutely something that is worth having a discussion about, and it's a narrative I think that needs to continue to be out there. Because here's what's happening right here. I've highlighted this in the orange. Interestingly, the long-term power law model indicates that Bitcoin's price should be around 89,000 right now, significantly above its current value. Here's what's happening. Okay, right here in the red, the 200-week moving average also highlights Bitcoin as oversold, often a precursor to significant rebounds. What does that mean when something's oversold? It literally is what it is. It has been oversold. That's the 200-week moving average is showing that. Just means that it's been oversold. Too many people have sold too much, if you will, which bodes well. Good word, bode, for a move up. Every time something is oversold, you tend to see, boom, it hits the bottom, it bounces back up. Okay, in the green, historically, when Bitcoin is traded near this level, has led to substantial price increases as market sentiment improves and long-term investors re-enter, which brings me back to this number. We've had a dramatically large amount of people that have left the market in the last, well, really 2 years, right? And they're about to be back. Why? October historically has been a fantastic month for crypto. Let me see if this is the chart I want. That's a great chart of Bitcoin showing all the way back to 16, how it does the exact same cyclical thing every single time. This one is probably not the chart I'm looking for, but this shows you that we're about to enter into the green box in the upper right-hand corner, which is the parabolic phase. And then to look back at what happened on the left side, the last halving cycle, where Bitcoin went from 11,000 to 68,000. You can see we're about to enter that cycle, and that is going to peak in October of 2025. Okay. So we've got a 1-year bull run coming at us, significant bull run. All of that lines up for a really good scenario. to bring this back to Bitcoin, Ethereum, all major blue chips, as well as meme coins, AI, crypto, everything. We are about to see an unprecedented amount of money flow into crypto, taking this number, what, 5, 6, 7, 8 trillion? We don't really know. This one is going to be significant as far as a significant parabolic run. Now, we do have things out there that we need to keep an eye on. We're expecting 2 more interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve this year for a combined another total of 50 basis points, as well as we've got the 2024 U.S. presidential election coming here in the States. That is coming up. We're less than 60 days. We're like 50 days and change from that. So historically, crypto's done very, very well after a major, after a presidential election, almost irrelevant of who wins who wins the U.S. presidency. We'll see how that plays out. So there's things that are out there. So if you like what I did for you in this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. By the way, I did talk about Ethereum. I had that in the title. If Bitcoin goes to $1 million+ by 2035, we'll see Ethereum go 30, 40,000 plus. Ethereum currently trading at 2,500 and change. Good stuff. All coming our way. We got about 9 days before we get out of September, and then we're into October, otherwise known as Uptober. Go make some money. See you.